All right, yeah, this does make my hair look grayer. Oh my goodness. All right, well, I got most of the insulation ready. So, well, you're gonna get in, okay. We're gonna go through this window, hook up right here, go through the bathroom, go up into the attic. They did not give me the extension cord. I guess I'll find my own. So this is the machine I got here. It's a free rental machine with a minimum bag purchase. I think the minimum bag purchase was only 10. It might have been 20. He didn't really know either. I went ahead and got 30 because I got an additional $3 off each bag if I get 30. And I only needed about probably 20, but I can put it in extra areas or make it extra thick. So it was actually cheaper to get 30 bags than 25 bags. This is what it looks like inside. Right, I need to tape these together. That should be good and strong there. You gotta pull this to start it. And then reset. There we go. I think this is recycled newspaper. Yeah.
Oh dang, I missed some.
Whoa. Hopefully it's all taped up on the inside and not like coming out in the house somewhere. A little smoky.
Oh, I still see some letters.
What? You read it?
Yeah.
We had no insulation in half of our attic, about 800 square feet. Sometimes it got so dusty that I let it pile up and spread it by hand after it cleared up a bit. This is cellulose insulation made of recycled newspaper, but you definitely still need a respirator. And goggles would have been very helpful too. Sometimes it was difficult trying to get the insulation pushed back to the back of the rafters. But this little rake that I was using came in very handy.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, well, you definitely need a respirator. And I still got stuff in my nose and eyes. You probably need some goggles for this. But we're almost done. We got 5 bags left. And glad I got extra, because we need them.
We did all 30 bags in under 2 hours. I spent less than $500. We saved a ton of money doing this ourselves.
All right, so we're done and it's not even lunchtime yet. So if you have an extra person feeding the machine while someone else is in the attic, it makes it much easier. We got a handle on feeding the machine. If you stuff it too much, then it won't force anything out. But if you just feed a little bit at a time, it comes out perfectly. So it takes a little bit getting used to. I didn't have a light in the attic, but even if you did, it gets so foggy up there. It might be best to let it pile up and then let the dust die down and then spread it. But getting back in the crevices, it's very nice just to hold that blower and let it blow back there. So we spent about $500 on, how many did I get? I got 30 units. It was about $18 a unit, but if you get 30 at Home Depot, they give you $3 off each unit. So it cost me less than $500 for all of these. I didn't need that much. I had about 800 square feet. I probably put almost double of what I needed, but I made it nice and thick, and I had an extra area of old insulation that I wanted to fill up as well. So I went a little bit overboard, but you know, for an extra 100 or 200 bucks, it's well worth it. We spent a lot of money on energy this year, just escaping out of the ceiling. I hope this helps a lot. You know, probably can reclaim what we spent in 1 year's time is my anticipation. It's free to rent. We saved 200 bucks with this machine because it's absolutely free if you get 10 or more bales. Maybe it's 20, but the guy told me 10. Yeah, a couple hours and you're done. I don't know what it would have cost me if I had hired this out, but I anticipate probably 3 to 4 times that.